The Kansai Area Pass, often considered the little sibling of the Kansai Wide Area Pass, has a more focused coverage. While it doesn't encompass as many regions or cities as its counterpart, it remains appealing for travelers seeking to explore key attractions in both Osaka and Kyoto, with convenient side trips to Nara, Kobe, and Himeji. If these cities feature prominently in your Kansai itinerary, this pass presents a compelling option for your consideration. In the video, we will find out the differences between the Kansai Area Pass and Kansai Wide Area Pass, so don't get mixed up between the two. To begin with, it's essential to note that the Kansai Area Pass excludes coverage for any Shinkansen trains, be it on the Tokaido or Sanyo Shinkansen lines, and the popular Hello Kitty Shinkansen. Within this designated range, the primary railway network is provided by JR West, offering access to a multitude of stations for exploration. The pass also extends its benefits to local lines, including the Keihan Railway line, the Hankyu Railway line, and even the Kyoto Subway system, a unique inclusion not found in other passes. Not forgetting the inclusion of the West JR bus service, providing a unique advantage. This service reaches attractions that may not be accessible via traditional train routes or subway lines. Thanks to the Kyoto City bus route, travelers can venture beyond the conventional railway network, uncovering hidden gems and expanding the scope of their exploration with ease. Regrettably, the Kansai Area Pass does not grant access to any Shinkansen trains without additional ticket purchases. This limitation applies to the renowned Hello Kitty Shinkansen, the Sanyo Shinkansen, and the Tokaido Shinkansen, requiring travelers to procure separate tickets for these experiences. However, if the Shinkansen experience isn't a top priority, there's still the option to utilize the JR West line, which can take you to most areas the Shinkansen covers, though perhaps with slightly longer travel times. The JR lines span vast regions, linking numerous cities for seamless travel. For those desiring reserved seating, it's imperative to make advance reservations prior to boarding, but there is a limit. Regarding the type of trains, travelers can only take special rapid services, and local trains on JR West conventional lines, and not on both reserved and non-reserved seats on limited express or express trains. Travelers must also be attentive to the pass's coverage limitations, as additional fares come into play beyond certain stations. Let's highlight some key stations that demand special consideration before extending your journey. The Keihan Electric Railway, a private company, manages several rail lines in Kyoto, Shiga, and Osaka. None of these rail lines intersect with Kyoto Station, and consequently, two of the regions are not within the coverage of the Kansai Area Pass, except for Kyoto. However, they prove highly convenient for travel between Kyoto and Osaka, or navigating major tourist destinations in Kyoto. The Keihan mainline cover under the Kansai Area Pass runs from north to south, through the heart of Kyoto City, and is particularly advantageous for exploring Kyoto's iconic sites. Its stations are strategically located in proximity to many of Kyoto's renowned attractions, like Gion, Kyoto's most famous geisha district, Kiyomizu Dera Temple, and Fushimi Inari Taisha Shrine, making it a highly practical choice for navigating the east side of the city. While the Hankyu Railway extends its operations beyond Osaka, reaching Kobe and Takarazuka City, the Kansai Area Pass imposes limitations, confining travel to the Kyoto and Osaka regions exclusively. It is especially convenient for commuting from central Kyoto to Arashiyama, with its route stretching between Kyoto and Osaka. The Kyoto line of the Hankyu Railway spans from Kyoto Kawaramachi Station to Osaka Uemita Station, while the Arashiyama line navigates from Arashiyama Station to Katsura Station. Leveraging the Hankyu Railway facilitates seamless movement between Arashiyama and the Karasuma and the Kawaramachi area, the epicenter of tourist activity in Kyoto, even during the bustling peak tourist season. Some of the main attractions along this line are the famous Arashiyama Bamboo Forest, the Monkey Park, and the Nishiki Market. The Kyoto Municipal Subway comprises a subterranean railway system featuring only two lines, the Karasuma Subway Line, extending from north to south, and the Tozai Subway Line, traversing east to west, and these two lines seamlessly converge at Karasuma Oiku Station. While the subway system may be relatively compact, its integration with other bus and railway networks enhances accessibility to various parts of the city. Utilizing the Karasuma subway line, you can travel from Kyoto Station to the northern regions of Kyoto, conveniently reaching the renowned Kinkakuji Temple with just a brief ride on the Kyoto City Bus. The Kansai Area Pass only offers coverage for one bus lines. The Kyoto Bus Line, making it easier for travelers to explore various attractions. If you're planning to visit popular sites such as the Kyoto Golden Pavilion and the Ryoanji Temple, the Kyoto Bus Line has got you covered. This convenient bus service will take you to a multitude of attractions, including Kyoto Station, Kyoto Aquarium, Kyoto Railway Museum, Nijo Castle, Kitano Tenmangu Shrine, Kinkakuji Temple, Ryoanji Temple, Nin-naji Temple, Jingoji Temple, and Kozanji Temple. Overall, here's a chart for better understanding on when the Kansai Area Pass is usable for various type of trains, and when to reserve a seat or obtain additional tickets before boarding the trains. This chart also clearly shows that this pass only allows travelers to use non-reserved seat on the ordinary cars, nothing else, unless you are willing to pay additional tickets or charges. So, remember to keep this limit in mind when planning your trips. As indicated on the website, the Kansai Area Pass offers unlimited rides in major Kansai areas, including Osaka, Kyoto, Kobe, Nara, Himeji, Wakayama, Otsu, and Kansai Airport Express, Haruka. But there is a small clause: you can only reserve seats on the ordinary cars up to 2 times only. Upon reaching your 3rd times, you will need to purchase a non-discounted, limited express reserved seating ticket separately. So is it worth it? To provide a helpful reference, let's consider 5 popular cities that you can visit within a max 4-day time frame and not taking any Shinkansen trains while stationed at Kyoto area. Kansai Airport to Kyoto, Kyoto to Shinosaka, Kyoto to Nara, Kyoto to Himeji, Kyoto to Kobe. Total to 15,660 yen. By just incorporating the journey with one-way trip only, you will have already utilized the full portion of the Kansai Area Pass's value. Not forgetting your one-day passes that allow you to travel within Kyoto regions for free and a side trip to Osaka. If you are traveling within these 5 popular cities, within the chosen time durations, I think it is worth your consideration. Who is it for? In my view, it is ideally suited for visitors stationed in Kyoto, especially those whose primary focus is exploring Kyoto, with convenient side trips to Osaka, Nara, Kobe, and Himeji. As the one-day passes, provided by the Kyoto Subway, Keihan Railway, Hankyu Railway, and Kyoto City Bus, significantly simplify travel in Kyoto while saving money. However, visitors stationed in Osaka can also benefit from the pass, given the unlimited rides for the JR line that connect Osaka to Kyoto. Above all, it caters to all travelers, with a certain time limit in either Kyoto or Osaka, offering 1-day, 2-day, 3-day, and 4-day passes. Where to buy the Kansai Area Pass? Ordering a Kansai Area Pass online is the most convenient option, available through the JR West online train reservation platform or the overseas authorized sales offices. Alternatively, you can obtain the pass from the travel agency in Japan, but remember to bring your passport, as the sales staff will require it for verification before issuing the rail pass. Remember, not the travel agency sales counter at train stations, as they had stopped selling it since end October. How to get the one-day pass for the Kyoto City Subway, Keihan Railway, or Hankyu Railway. After purchase or exchange for a Kansai Area Pass at a JR station, you will get the Kansai Area Pass and the 3 vouchers. After that, you can redeem the passes with the vouchers at any Kyoto City Subway, Keihan Railway, or Hankyu Railway station from the staff. Do note that the one-day passes for the Kyoto City Subway, Keihan Railway, or Hankyu Railway can be redeemed only within the validity period of the Kansai Area Pass on the day of use of the one-day pass. After obtaining the passes, you can utilize them on any day within the validity period, but it's essential to note that each pass is valid for only 1 day. Discounts and benefits. With the Kyoto City Subway Pass, discounted rates are available for entry to the following facilities. If you're looking to explore beyond the popular destinations of Osaka and Kyoto, you'll be delighted to know that there are numerous discounts and benefits available in other prefectures by simply presenting your passport or JR West Rail Pass offering you a wide range of opportunities to discover new places and experiences. So what is the differences between the Kansai Area Pass and the Kansai Wide Area Pass? I have created this chart for your quick reference. 1. Kansai Area Pass cover less regions, also don't cover the Kishi area where the cat station is. 2. It don't cover any Shinkansen ride, no Hello Kitty Shinkansen. 3. The pass provide more duration options. 4. It only allow you to reserve seat up to 2 times only, not unlimited. 5. It cover with different local railway lines. 6. The pass only cover 1 bus line. 7. Kansai Area Pass primarily focus in Kyoto, secondary is Osaka. 8. It provide additional one-day passes. Click here for more videos regarding essential information about your trip to Japan. Thank you for staying to the end.